Hello guys, my name is Balmiki from Kolkata, a model car collector and a car enthusiast. In this video, we will have a look on that cars that I have ordered from Flipkart during Big Billion Day sale. So, without any further delay, let's get into the unboxing. I have already uploaded the first part of the video. The link will be in the iCard button. Make sure to watch it. So let's get into our first car, which is the Senti Ambassador. I got this particular car for just 95 rupees. The MRP was 225, but during sale days this particular car was available for just 95 rupees. Isn't that unbelievable? So let's take that car out from the box. Here is our car, the Senti Ambassador Delhi Taxi, beautifully crafted in black and yellow dual tone color. So this is a really nice car coming from Senti. So this was our first car. Our next car is the Tata Norev 1/43 Indigo Manza. So I got this particular car from Flipkart for just 243 rupees. So let's take that car out, and this is the car. Suddenly Tata models have been flooded in the market. Some particular models are being available everywhere in the market. So this is one of them, the Tata Indigo Manza, beautifully crafted in golden color, and the scale is exact 1/43. I have already unboxed all the Tata Norev 1/43 models. The link will be in the iCard button. Make sure to watch the video also after watching this. So let's move towards our next car. So this one is our next car. Not only one car but also set of two cars. So let's get into unboxing. Okay, so these are the sets of two cars. Both the cars are made by Newray. So these cars are exact 1/43 scale. So let's take them out from their box one by one. This is a tempo type truck along with its crane, as you can see, and here is the trolley of the pickup truck, and along with that it comes also a earth mover crane, and it will cost you around 400 rupees approx. I will put the link in the description so that you can also check that out. So this car is crafted beautifully by Newray in 1/43 scale, and our next car is this one. This car also in 1/43. So this is Ford Raptor F250. Let's take that car out. So here it is. This white pickup truck is Ford Raptor, and it also comes with the trolley and along with a tractor. All these cars are 1/43 scale by Newray. So I got this particular car for 400 rupees, which was the half of the MRP during Flipkart sale days. So these are some of the cars that I have got from Flipkart during Big Billion sale day. What's yours? Comment down your cars. That's all for today. Catch you up in the next one.